Are you Jonte Harmon?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Harmon, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
Mhm.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to, it's called Airbnb. I think that's what it's called. They said they called me back. And I talked to a different lawyer. They also said they called back.
Did you write it down like I told you? So I told you to bring me that information when you come back, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you bring it?
In the car.
In the car where? Here?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have 5 minutes. Go get it and come right back. Do not leave. Go get it and come right back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, you're Nathan Hester.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Hester, did you get someone hired?
Yes, right.
You got him hired?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he supposed to, did y'all get anything from Mr. Kimler on Nathan Hester? Okay. See, did he say he'd be here this morning?
I'm sending messages and everything. He hadn't called me back.
But you've actually paid him money.
No, not yet. I've talked to him and he said that he'd represent me.
Okay, you have to hire him. Just saying nobody's gonna represent you unless you pay him money.
For me.
I'm sorry.
Somebody else is paying for it for me.
Have they done that yet?
That's not.
You guess not.
No, because.
That's something that you would find out and be aware of.
Yeah,
who's
but I
paying?
Talk to them.
I'm sorry,
They haven't called me back or nothing.
who?
The person who's paying for it is not even.
Who's paying for it?
Crystal, friend of mine, Crystal.
Okay,
That I'm in trouble with her. All this is because of her. But no.
well, I appreciate that if she's gonna do that, but ultimately it's your responsibility,
Yeah.
right? You've been coming here for months now. I'm resetting your case 2 weeks.
Okay.
You need to make sure that Mr. Kimler's hired. I don't care if anybody else, that's between you and somebody else. You need to make sure it's done within 2 weeks. All right, step in front of the clerk.
You go park.
And Ms. Lee, this is your initial appearance and cause number 26 DCCR 1028. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of theft of property. And that's for March 28th of 2026. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, Ms. Lee, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. Since you've made bond, I expect you to at least try to hire someone. So if you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset.
Is that 30 days? Okay.
Right, so about 30 days from today, you need to try to get someone hired before that next court date. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss what your options are. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would have to go back to jail. Do you understand? Do you understand? Answer out loud, please. Yes or no? Okay. All right. Step in front of the clerk and she'll give you your reset notice.
Thank you, daughter.
Thank you. Are you Paul Malone?
Yes.
Come on up. Mr. Malone, did you get someone hired?
No, man, but I called several,
Who'd you talk to?
under this.
Just
number.
tell me who you talked to.
Oh, I talked to Miss Holmes, Brittany Holmes, and she was 3,500. I talked to Jason Nix. He wanted $100 just to come talk to me. I just can't do that. Kelly Gertz, which they said they were gonna call me back, never did. William Hall, pardon. He told me I needed to hire my previous lawyer because they would know more about it, which was Miss Holmes. And then James R. Macon, and he's 7,500. And Corey Crenshaw was 7,500 as well. And they wanted like 3,500 down.
Right. Are you working?
Yes, ma'am, but to be honest, I'm not getting many hours because I can't go out of the county.
Okay.
I was hoping that maybe you could.
Well, What I'm gonna do this morning, thank you for doing what I asked you to do. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it.
Yes, ma'am.
If you step in front of the clerk all the way on the end, she'll give you
Can
that
I
paperwork.
ask you one
What's
question?
that?
Is there any way that I can go out of the county for my GPS just during work hours?
Let's do this first and then remind me in just a minute. Y'all keep, make a note of that. I'll look at it. Yes, sir. Meet you, Kaylin Calloway.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Calloway, this is your initial appearance and cause number 26 DCCR 0898. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity, and that's from March 1st of 2026.
Yes, ma'am.
Since you made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Oh, ma'am.
So what I'm going to do, since you've made bond, I expect you to try to hire someone. So I'm going to reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to do that. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're unable to hire someone, I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, have different payment plans. Bring me those names of who you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you go back to jail. Do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understand? All right, step in front of the clerk and she'll give you a reset notice. Good morning. You're Ken Derrick Simeon.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Simeon, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Mark D. Lambert, Brittany A. Holmes, and Williams Kelly.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. They were charging for the 2 Mark D. Lambert 10,000, and then for Brittany, she was about the lowest that I could find for like 5,500.
and where are you, you're working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so where are you on being able to maybe get someone hired?
I'm not able to pay what they're asking right now.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
where you work?
Jack in the Box, and I do like live side contracts for landscaping.
Okay, so what's the shirt you're wearing? That's not a work shirt?
Yes, ma'am. This is a work shirt.
For what job?
No, this is what I use for landscaping. I have to finish. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Simeon, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Thank you for doing what I asked you to do. Make sure you fill out that paperwork accurately and completely. Include any income you have, any bills you have, and then I'll take a look at
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Also, with the 30 days, can I get it to a date after I see my doctor?
Just, let's do this first, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You're Michaela Sylvester?
Yes.
And Miss Sylvester, did you get someone hired?
No,
Who'd you talk to?
I had called Michael Ray Waltz. He didn't answer, and then I called William James called Junior, didn't answer. And then I called Mr. Burbank. I have a meeting with him tomorrow at 3:30.
Okay, and are you working?
No,
You're not, why aren't you working?
I haven't found a job yet. I've been searching. I've been putting applications, but no one's got back to me yet.
Okay, so Miss Sylvester, I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning since you did what I asked you to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill out accurately and completely because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true, and then I'll take a look at it.
Yes.
Step in front of the clerk on the end and she'll give you that paperwork. Yes, ma'am. Doucette?
Yeah.
And Mr. Doucette, this is your initial appearance and clause number 26 DCCR 1122. You're charged with the 3rd-degree felony offense of stalking, and that is from April 6th of 2026. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Speak up, please.
I'm not.
All right, so Mr. Doucette, I'm going to reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. If you hire someone before that next court date, then just bring the reset notice to them and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to do that, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to, so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? And I know it's a condition of your bond, and I'm sure you were made aware. I do want to make sure you understand that as a condition of your bond, you are to have no contact or communication with Ashley Doucette. You understand?
Yeah, the only communication we do is through our family wizard
Perfect.
back and forth.
Okay,
It only deals with the, yeah.
With the kids.
Yes.
And so you guys, are y'all going through family court at this time?
We're we're getting there.
Okay, so I will approve the Family Wizard only also, okay? So you can use the Family
Yeah.
Wizard, but no other contact or communication other than about your children through that app.
Yeah, and then our periods of drop off. We meet at a certain location.
Okay, in
And-
public.
Yes.
Okay,
And
perfect,
then if I get them and then bring them back. and-
perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Standard visitation, like most people.
Well, I just want to make sure there's no issues, and so I want that to be at a
Sure.
public place.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is.
All right, step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice.